Hey, up for sale is my Lulzbot Taz 6. You can see it's printing apart for me right now, but cool things about this printer, it's got a heated bed, so it helps for part adhesion. You can do a basketball volume here, which is pretty awesome. It's got auto leveling, so there's no need to level the bed. It does auto leveling as long as you make sure your nozzle is nice and clean when the auto leveling procedure occurs. This is our workhorse. We've used this machine a lot. I'm actually kind of sad to see it go, but we're upgrading to a larger machine, so you know, as it happens, we need to get rid of this one. But you can see, I mean, just in the past few days, we've done a lot of printing, and it's our workhorse. I mean, it is an excellent 3D printer if you're looking for either a production 3D printer or even just a 3D printer that is awesome for your own hobby use. You can see it's got a fixed Y gantry. It's got dual ball screws for the Z-axis. It's got the chrome rods, which is really nice. I mean, it's a nice, accurate machine. I'll get up close to this. You can see, you know, there's no ripples in that. That's just a really solid, just nice looking print, and it can do this all day long. So that's really why it's awesome. Also included with this machine is the flexy dually tool head. So we're including the flexy dually tool head with this machine. This was a $500 upgrade. It allows you to print flexible parts. It allows you to do dual extrusions, which is really awesome because you can make complicated prints, such as using like a PVA filament, which is a glue-based filament, and then basically printing a complicated part, rinsing it in water, and letting that filament dissolve. So there's a lot that you can do with the flexi dually, and you can see here it's got dual extruders on it. There's 1 and 2. That's included with the machine. So it's a really, really nice addition, and you know, anybody who buys this thing is going to be very well off being able to 3D print whatever they want. So overall, you know, the machine has had pretty low hours. We are the first owners of it. We bought it directly from Lulzbot up in Fort Collins. We're located in Denver. And yeah, so hopefully that answers most of your questions. If you have more, feel free to send us a message, and we will get back to you. But that's the Lulzbot Taz 6 3D printer for sale right now from QuadQuestions. Also includes a toolkit that comes with it, and then we've got like a bunch of sample filaments here, so we'll include that, and it's pretty much brand new, other than, you know, thoroughly tested and ready for your 3D printing adventure. So thanks for watching.